Verizon has launched an all-new Verizon Loyalty Program that combines monthly rewards, exclusive perks, and entertainment benefits in one place. If you're wondering how it works, who's eligible, and what benefits you get, here's everything you need to know. What is the Verizon Loyalty Program? The Verizon Loyalty Program is Verizon's new rewards ecosystem for eligible customers. It includes Verizon Dollars, Verizon Shine, no activation or upgrade fees for eligible members. The program is designed to reward customers with monthly savings, exclusive experiences, and partner offers. What benefits do you get? The Verizon Loyalty Program includes earn 3% back with Verizon Dollars, enjoy sweepstakes and daily drops with Verizon Shine, no activation or upgrade fees for eligible members, save with rewards from popular brands, get exclusive access to concerts and pre-sale tickets. Who can join? The program is available for eligible Verizon customers with supported postpaid mobile or home internet plans. Availability may vary depending on your account type and plan. How to join? Getting started is simple. Open the My Verizon app, sign in to your account, visit the Loyalty section, enroll in Verizon Loyalty and Verizon Dollars if prompted. Once enrolled, you'll be able to start earning rewards and accessing Verizon Shine benefits. Things to know. Earn 3% Verizon Dollars on eligible purchases. Verizon Dollars can be redeemed on Verizon products and select partner brands. Verizon Shine rewards are available in the My Verizon app. Eligible members may avoid activation and upgrade fees. New rewards and offers are added regularly. So that's the Verizon Loyalty Program in a nutshell. To learn more, check out our full guide linked in the description. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Verizon plan and rewards guides.